Hello friends, welcome to 5 Tech. This is Redmi K20 Pro smartphone. In this video, we'll learn how you can set ringtone in Redmi K20 Pro smartphone. First of all, go to the settings in your phone Redmi K20 Pro smartphone. Click on settings, click on sound and vibration, click on phone ringtone. Enable this button for setting ringtone for both the SIM. And click on the first SIM first. And you can choose online ringtone. Just select any tone, click on plus symbol, click OK for downloading. Yes, it's activated now. You can also choose system ringtones. These are all the system ringtones. Just choose any one. You can also select any tone from your local files. In the similar way, you can set ringtone for another SIM. You can choose from online or from local file or from the system ringtones itself. In a similar way, you can set message tone. Here also you can set tone for both the SIM. It is also similar to what I have done for ringtone. Choosing from online or local file or system ringtones. You can set message tone for another SIM. It's also similar to what I have done for setting ringtone. Click on call under sound. Click on default notification sound and select from online or local file or from the system ringtones itself. You can also control other tones like vibrate in silent mode, dial pad tones, tab sounds, screen locking sounds, screenshot sound, delete sound, etc. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, take care. Bye.